Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm in the lovely city of Madrid having a walk around. Again, I've got the Canon M50 Mark II with me. I've put the 22mm Pancake lens on because I'm doing street photography and this is a little bit more discreet and you've got a wider field of view so that we can capture more. So hopefully we can get some good shots today and I'll catch up with you in a moment.
So I got a few of my warm-up shots just to get a feel of the light in Madrid, and then I came across this brilliant display of just legs in jeans and water bottles. So I took a photo of that and then waited for a subject to walk past. So here's my first one. I thought that was great. Somebody walking and we've got legs there. We've got another one there. And then we've just got another one here walking past those bottles. And this one, I've got one sort of along the road, as the road is like a leading line with those bollards on the left. And here I'm just doing a look-up shot. I just thought the small balconies and the coloured building looked good, and then down this small road I could see somebody on a scooter coming towards me and thought I'll try and capture that, which I was very happy with that one. And then we've got somebody just throwing their rubbish away, a bit of recycling. Nice to see it happens in Spain. And I saw this chap on the left and I just wanted to capture him walking past me, and I got that nicely. And then along here I saw this scooter. I thought I must get this scooter, and I made all the background black and white and just kept the colour of the scooter to stand it out in the photo. And then another look-up shot. I loved all the air conditioning units on this one and the straight lines going up and the small balconies. And then we've got somebody just walking across the road. I just have to capture that. Somebody on the phone. And here I just had to get this one. Everybody sitting along here was on their phone. And I thought that'd take a great street shot. We just got a chap here on the left. And here I've noticed this line, like a leading line leading up to these ladies looking towards the palace. I thought that made a nice shot. And then I noticed these flowers, or these flower beds, and I thought that created a lovely leading line taking your eyes through the photo. And here's more of a tourist shot. I just happened to turn up at changing of the guard outside the palace, and I thought I'd just take that one to give you a feel. So it was quite a nice display, but more of a tourist shot. Here I noticed some nice coloured cars coming past, so I stood here to capture the vehicles, as I thought they looked really good. And we've got another one just coming up here. They're going nice and slow for me. Gave me lots of time to prepare. Perhaps this one's not quite so good, but it gives you a bit of a feel of the sort of things you see in Madrid. And then here we are with some more of these really lovely cars. I try to make the background black and white and have a nice white vignette around the corners to really make it stand out. And okay, it's not raining, but we've got an umbrella to keep the sun off. And then I thought I'd try my hand at taking some shots through these chains, so I was quite happy with that one. And then here, another leading line. I'm really into leading lines in Madrid. This pavement's just leading up to the subject who's taking a photo. And this 22mm lens is really capturing everything that you need. So I've got another nice one through the fence there. And we're having a go at another one here. And then we've got people crossing the crossing. I thought I'll just capture this. Then I noticed all these people with hats. I thought that would take a nice shot where they were just relaxing outside the restaurant. And this chap stood really still for me. Maybe it's a statue. But that came out okay. This one, I just loved all the leading lines leading through to this chap walking towards that White House at the end there. And I just had to take this photo. This lime green dress and outfit just really stood out amongst the buildings there. And I've got another leading line. There's just so many opportunities for leading lines. So I was very happy with that shot. Now we've just got a chap sitting here. This is what Madrid is like. A lot of relaxation. Seems to be a slower pace. And this chap was just interesting. His beard and grey hair. And you see a lot of this. This is just a tourist shot really. Lots of people go round with a tour guide, and you see it all over Madrid. And another look-up shot. There just seems to be lots of straight lines everywhere, and I just loved how these lines led your eyes through and up the building. And then this chap on the left, I just had to get this chap. He just seemed a nice character to take a photo of. And then we've got the crossing, so I'm just waiting here for somebody to cross so that I can capture it. I've got the camera down a bit lower, ready to capture people crossing the road. I let them get nice and close for this one. Then we've got the chap just down there looking into his wallet, ready to go into what I think is the bank. This lady looked interesting, so I thought I'd get a photo of her with her coloured hair and torn jeans, and looking at the phone, of course. For this trip, I found that the 22mm Pancake lens on the M50 Mark II was absolutely ideal. It's nice and small, it's discreet, it's easy to travel with, light to walk around with, and it's nice and wide to capture things A lot of the streets were quite narrow in Madrid, and this was ideal to capture the width of the street and the scenery around. So I definitely recommend this, and it was so sharp I was able to crop in where I needed to. So an ideal lens for travel photography. So if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.